How to fix Netflix household problem on this TV does not belongs to you or any type of authorization error between your TV connection or your Netflix account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll be simply showing you to fix this thing that if you're unable to link your Netflix and your TV, so how can you simply resolve this issue and just enjoy live streaming from your Netflix application or mobile website to your TV and smart TV. Let's get into the video. The first step is we just have to know that why this type of error usually occurs on your profile or with your TV. So it's just because the network connection, the country in which you are playing the video, your weather for internet speed, and absolutely your mobile phone's capability or TV's capability to stream the show or anything on your TV. So what you need to do is firstly check your mobile phone network connection. You are connected with a better Wi-Fi network connection. Secondly, go to the setting option of your phone here and check for the storage that you have enough storage and seamless data confusion occurs on your phone. Third step is simply delete the Netflix account and then create another one with another Gmail ID. Then subscribe it and then use a different account to encounter this problem, because this type of error usually not be resolved so easily. You just have to look out for the customer care service of Netflix to resolve this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel for watching more technical videos and updates like